Good morning, students. Welcome back to our online class. And for today's lesson, we are going to learn about the family. We are also going to learn how to have a happy family and the role of parents. Are you ready? Then let's get started. Teacher, what is the family? Okay, so when we say family, it is a group of people who are all related to each other. They usually include grandparents. Teacher, what is grandparents? So they are our grandfather and grandmother. Parents, our mom and dad. Uncles, aunts, nephews, nieces, and cousins. Okay, so all of these are part of the family. Understand? All right. These people should have a close relationship with each other and are called family members. Here is the most important family in Thailand. Okay, so first we have the father, His Majesty King Bumibol Adonyade. Second, we have the mother, Her Majesty Queen Sirikit. Next, we have the eldest daughter, Her Royal Highness Princess Obonrat. Next, we have the son, the only son of this family, His Royal Highness Crown Prince Maha Vajiralongkorn. He is our king right now, right? Next, we have Her Royal Highness Crown Princess Maha Serendorn, the daughter. And the last one, we have Her Royal Highness Crown Princess Chulaporn. So here is the most important family here in Thailand. Understand? Okay, so now let's have our vocabularies in this unit. First word, we have the word environment. Again, environment. Let's spell ENVIRONMENT. Environment. When we say environment, it means all things that affect your life, such as where you live, your family, and things that happen to you. Next, we have harmony. What does harmony means? It simply means to be in tune with. In other words, agreement with or sympathy with. Next, we have leader. Leader means the person in charge. Remember, leader means the person in charge who shows you the way to do things. Who shows you the way to do things. Next word, we have the word loyal. Loyal. It means support strongly and to be faithful. Okay, when you say royal, that means you are faithful. Next word, we have the word primary. Again, primary. When we say primary, it simply means most important. Most important. Okay, next, we have relation. Spell RELATION. Relation. It means a connection between two things. A member of the family. Now, let's have the next word. The next word we have is relationship. The way in which people get on with each other. Again, when we say relationship, the way in which people get on with each other. Okay, next word we have responsibility. Again, responsibility. When we say responsibility, it simply means a duty or job. What is the example of responsibility? Okay, so one of your responsibility at home is to help your mom and dad. So that is your duty as a child, okay, as a member of the family. Next word, we have the word role. Okay, when you say role, the job or purpose of a person or thing. Okay? Next word, we have the word security. Security, a safe situation. Who can give us the security at home? Yes, it is our parents who can protect us, right? Who can give us security or safe situation. Next word, we have the word society. Okay, when we say society, all people or all people in a country or group. Teacher, what is the smallest society? Yeah, the smallest society called the family. Last word, we have value. Now, what is the meaning of value? It means what something is worth. Okay? Value means worth. Now, are you ready? Okay, this time let's talk about how to have a happy family. Okay, all of us wants to have a happy family, right? Now, let's learn how to have a happy family. All members of a family have a what? A responsibility to remember or duties and the work that they must do for the family. Okay, do you remember your duties at home? Your tasks at home that you have to do? Okay, then you have to remember that. That is very important. Here we have the family gives security and comfort to its members. Okay, the members have a duty to give something in return. The members have a duty to give something in return. Okay, so since our family gives us security, our mom and dad gives us security, then in return we have to give duty, or we have to give service to them so that our family or our parents will feel happy. Alright, so here, all members of a family must be loyal to the family. Okay? Must be loyal to the family and avoid quarreling. Teacher, what is quarreling? Quarreling means fighting. Okay, so as a member of the family, we have to be loyal to them. We have to be honest to our family. And we should stop fighting. If you do not love and respect the other members of the family, they will not wish to give you support and help when you need it. All members of a family must respect the rules of the family. The rules are made by the leaders of the family. These rules are made to ensure that there will always be a happy family life. So what are these rules? Okay, let's proceed. Example, all members of a family must keep their home clean and tidy. Do not expect others to clean up the mess that you make. Okay, just look at the picture here. Okay, except for the babies, 1 year old, 2 years old, 3 years old, they cannot clean yet, right? But if you are 5 years old, then your mom and dad will teach you how to clean your own mess. Okay? Right, next. In order for them to have a happy family, all members must understand their roles in the family and how to be a good family members. Okay, now we have the role of parents. Okay? The parents include a father and a mother who are the leaders of the family. They have various duties. First, they both help raise the family. The father's primary role is to provide the money needed to feed, to clothe, and house the family. So that is the primary role of a father. Okay, your father will what? Will provide the money for the family. What else? Provide the food, the clothes, and also the house for the family. Now, how about the mother? The mother's primary role is to make the home function well. Now, the mother's primary role is to make the home function well. Okay, so they are the one who will make or keep the house clean. They are the one who will prepare the food for the family. They are the one who take care of the children. Nowadays, many mothers also work to provide money for the family, and the fathers help in running the home. Before, the father will only provide the money, but in our time, mothers also work to help the need of the family. Okay? Okay, so here, parents take care of their children and give their love and understanding. When children are hurt or unhappy, the parents look after them. It means if we are sad, if we are broken, don't forget that our mother and our father is always there for us. Okay, so don't be sad. Next. Parents use their own experience to help children to plan their future. What else? And give them an education. Our mom and dad will always be there to help us. Next. Parents also look after and advise their children about many things and teach them by example how to behave. That is why if our mom and dad will get angry because we make mistake, we should not think that they don't love us. Instead, we have to think that they take care of us. They love us because they teach us what is the exact thing to do. what is the right thing to do, so that next time we will not make the same mistake. Okay? All right, very good. All right, so here we have an activity. Only one question in part 1. According to our textbook, what is the definition of a family? Okay, so I want you to answer that on page 7 in your book. Page 7, part 1. Okay? So that's the activity for you to do today. So next meeting, we will talk about the role of children and how to be a good member of society. Thank you for your cooperation. Thank you for listening, and see you next time. Goodbye.